Hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, I'm Kimmy. Welcome to the channel. And I talk all things notary over here. For those of you who may be a little bit new, I am also one of the trainers at Notary Educators. So check us out at notaryeducatorsllc.com. But today we are talking about the notary bag. You got to have somewhere to put your supplies once you get them. And as your business continues to grow, you'll understand why I had such a hard choice in picking a bag. So the bag that I've used forever is this one. This is my second one, okay? I loved it because I was able to put my name on it and got the little feather and everything. I got the little pocket. So I love this bag for 4 years. So much so that when the zipper broke off of it, my husband broke the zipper. What? This is my second one, so I love this bag. But as time has gone on, I've grown in what I need in my bag, my supplies. So I was like, I have to get a new bag. So I want to show you some of the options that I had. And some of these may work for you, but I'm going to show you the one I ended up with, okay? So after going into hospitals and nursing homes and all of that, I was just tired of carrying that bag. Oh no! Uh-oh. That bag is a little heavy on my back, and I did a couple hospital jobs and nursing home jobs over the weekend with this bag. And like I said, I've been using it for 4 years. And I was like, oh my God, this bag is so heavy. So that's it. I have to get a rolling bag. I have been avoiding it and avoiding it. So these were some of my options. I just want to show you. And then I'll show you the one I picked at the end. And then I'm going to show you what's in my bag. Okay. So this was one of the bags. This is so cute. And you would think this is big enough, right? But the inside, I just want to show you. This thing is so cute. And it's on wheels. Everything I'm showing you today has a roller. Because when you are in and out of hospitals, in and out of nursing homes doing general notary work, you need something a little larger. So this is probably going to be good for most of you, okay? This bag is really nice. But I have a few extra stamps. And eventually you too will need all of the things that I'm talking about in your bag. So this bag will hold your journal. It will hold some basic stamps. It will hold some of your acknowledgments and Jurats, which is also what I have in my bag, but it just was not big enough. Okay, so let me show you the second choice I had, which was this one. I love this bag. Okay, this bag is so pretty. You know I love the color, right? Beautiful. It also has a handle built in. This is a luxury bag because they even have a zipper for the handle. Okay, beautiful. I love this bag. Okay, and it has so many compartments. Look at that, so many zippers, so many compartments. I'm going to show you the inside, but this bag was just too big. I sound like Goldilocks, right? Not this one, not that one. So I mean, it's space upon space upon space. Okay, now these are not actually titled notary bags. They're more like laptop bags. But again, when you're in and out of hospitals, nursing homes, and people's houses, and carrying all your extra supplies you need, you need something a little bit bigger. So this is the one I opted for. Now, it's still big. And you may say, do I really need all of that? Yes, you do. This one has, let me show you. It does have the bar on it. And this bag, I'm sitting down, so it's kind of heavy sitting down, but it'll be just enough for me to be able to take it in and out of the car and then roll it. I actually had a chance to use it and I loved it. Okay, so I'm going to show you the inside. That's the inside. Let's see, can we show you? So I have my stamps. All these are my stamps, my journal, and 2 clipboards. Okay, and again, you may be thinking, Kimmy, you really need all of that? Yes, I have a receipt book in there also. I'm going to go through and show you what I have in the bag too. Hold on. And let me show you the other side. I'm going to take the camera so I can show you right there. Okay. So inside the bag, we have, these are stamps, more stamps. These are my actual stamps. I put them in this bag. I just bought this where I got ink pens in there and then my notary stamps. So when I'm at the table, I can pull out this one bag and it has my main stamps and a couple ink pens and my embosser and my gold seals. Okay, so that's what's in there. Now, prior to carrying this little bag here, and I just love it. I will put the link for it in the description box. I just love this little bag. That way I'm at the table, I can take it out, sit it on the table, and keep it moving, okay? I have everything there. Now, prior to that, I was carrying this. This was built for headphones, but it served the purpose. Let me put the camera back. It served the purpose. And there's so many different ways out there that you can carry and store your stuff. So this is what I was using, and I love this for a couple years until I just found this particular pencil case. And again, this pencil case, I made it put some blue black pens and all my major stuff right here, whip it out at the table, okay? And then inside my bag, let me just go back to the bag. Inside, I have my extra acknowledgments and Jurats. I just got these pretty purple folders. So this is extra documents, my I-9 forms, apostille information. I have my apostille information here. You never know when I might need that. I have my Georgia handbook, okay? I have a rain jacket in there. I have a notepad. You would be surprised at the number of times people ask you for, you would be surprised the number of times people ask you for a piece of paper just to write a note. So I have that in there, and I have a pair of socks in case I go to someone's home. I also have some footies. I think I've showed you that before, but for those of you who may be new, where are the footies? Oh, I got extra blue pens, black pens, receipt book. I do have those plastic footies in here, which I don't see. My bag is too big, huh? They're in here, but anyway, so I have that. But I wanted to show you, this bag has so many pockets. Let me just show you again inside. Okay. So many pockets. So again, you have choices when it comes to bags. You may not have to start off with one this large. And most of you probably are saying, Kimmy, I don't need to carry all that. But it's nothing worse than getting to an appointment and you don't have your extra Jurat stamp, or you don't have your extra acknowledgement stamp, okay? So you do need to have all these different stamps. Now, how you choose to carry it is going to be different. And again, I've been spending a lot of time in hospitals and nursing homes. So I'm just tired of carrying. So you can see I have this nice bag. Again, it is on wheels. It has a handle so I can pull it. And now people will see, oh, she's not a $2 notary. Look, now you know it's not $2. I'm coming in there with all this, right? So again, I love the bag. It's even a pocket in the front. I can slide my cell phone. And is it a little bit bigger than I would like it to be? Yes. However, I had to upgrade. I had to. It's like a person when they have one child and they got a, you know, cute little car. Then you got another kid, and you got another kid, you got another kid. So I had to upgrade. So now I got the Mercedes-Benz of bags, and I will put this in the description box for you. And again, it's only gonna be heavy when I have to take it out the car, which I was already used to that anyway. My other bag was heavy. And then when I'm going through the hospital, I don't care what floor it's on, it don't matter no more, because I'm gonna be pulling my bag, rolling it. So in the description box, I will leave a link for the bag. I will leave a link for the pencil case that I bought, and you can see if these things will work for you. Okay, and on the side here, just FYI, I ended up putting some business cards on the side. I have 2 pockets on the side, so that way I can easily hand out my business cards. Okay, bam. All right, well, until next time, guys, this is Notary Life with Kimmy. Bye.